Ever since its founding over 60 years ago, Omega Engineering, like any successful company, has undergone many changes, but none as revolutionary as its lean manufacturing transformation. Starting in 2017, Omega's lean journey has brought new vitality, engagement, and a sense of ownership to all of its nearly 500 manufacturing employees over its two primary manufacturing facilities located in southern New Jersey and Ohio. First, we'll go to New Jersey.
I'm Mike Turek. I'm the Chief Operations Officer at Omega Engineering. The facility here in Swedesboro, New Jersey is about 225,000 square feet, spread across several buildings. The manufacturing capabilities that this facility provides range from temperature compensating cable manufacturing, mineral insulated cable manufacturing. We've got automated connector manufacturing, CNC machining and milling. We've got an instrumentation and assembly area, as well as a calibration lab to calibrate the products before they are shipped out to our customers. We also produce thermocouples and RTD sensors and probes. In our distribution center that supports all of our global satellite distribution centers, as well as ships product direct to customers around the globe. What really excites me about Omega Engineering is our continuing lean transformation and all the great work that's happening out on our factory floor and across the supply chain.
My name is Tammy Caldwell. I'm currently the probe production supervisor. My favorite transformation as a result of lean has been that the people are more engaged and involved now. We have daily Gemba walks, and we can start at the production in cell level. Each one of our group leads will hold morning huddles. They'll review what happened the day before and what the plan is for today. Then the leads will then bring that information to our value stream board, and we discuss as a whole in the department, did we meet our expectations, what's the plan for today, any constraints. Then from there, if there's anything that needs to be escalated, our manager is at our value stream board every day. She then escalates it to what we're calling the Tier 4 meeting that they have every day.
My name is Lou Foster. I'm the quality manager here at Omega, New Jersey. On a daily basis, we meet at the Sustainability Board. It's a great opportunity. Every morning, we discuss our status within our departments. It's not an email waiting to get followed up. It's not a phone call. It's not, I'll get back to you later in the day. It's real time. You get that done in the morning and you get to go to work.
My name is Selena Shim. I work in probe department. I am the group lead of both fine gauge and the wire TC area. The skills that I have learned about the lean manufacturing is that we need to depend on a process and not a person. A lot of what was here before when I came was depending on people that were here, the knowledge that they have. Now with the lean manufacturing, we depend on a process and not just the person being here.
After 25 years in the field and coming here to Omega, I quickly realized how Omega is committed to the lean principles and committed to quality. Most companies will tell you they are. Omega does it.
Now let's pay a visit to Omega's pressure manufacturing facility in Sunbury, Ohio.
Bob Fresco. I have been the manufacturing engineering manager at Sunbury, Ohio for the last 5 years. We are 34,500 square feet and we have 85 folks working here. The products that are manufactured here in Sunbury are pressure sensors and load cells primarily. We do laser welding, TIG welding, electron beam welding. We have a pretty extensive machine shop, quite a bit of calibration work, load cell testing, pressure testing, but primarily electronic assembly.
Name's Art Faulkner, and my role here is lean engineer. One of the major things that we do here on a day-to-day basis is we put the rigor in from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So that starts with our daily Gemba walk. And that gives us basically a voice of what happened the previous day, allows us to attack the issues that need to be attacked immediately. We do some countermeasures on each area so that we're able to track what's going on. And then from there, just compiling all that information from the areas until we go to the glass wall, so we can definitely make sure that we're staying on track. Currently at the Sunbury, Ohio facility, we have 85 associates that currently work here, and that number fluctuates usually, but I keep that number in my mind because we're tracking the amount of associates that go through Kaizen trainings, a lot of different trainings.
My name is Evan McPeak. I am the EHS engineer as well as the maintenance lead. I've never actually really known anything besides Lean at Omega. When I came in, we were about a year into that process, and it's been great to watch it grow over my 3 years here. You see the communication improve between departments, more clearly tracking our goals, which we didn't really have a great sightline on before. And as those things get more and more refined, people kind of buy into the process more and more.
The concept of Lean here, I've been to other facilities. I've worked for some Honda facilities and some L brands. I've kind of been a journeyman, and I said, the Lean organization here at Omega is probably one of the best as far as structure and visibility from top down.
You see the result of Lean practices on a daily basis here at Omega. It's in our DNA.